India is all set to celebrate its 72nd Republic Day to commemorate the day when the Constitution of India came into effect. This day is very distinct. Although we got our independence on 15th August 1947, budding India did not have law of its own. Our leaders realized the necessity for having a full-fledged constitution to govern our country. So, a drafting committee was formed on 29th August 1947. After working for 2 years, 11 months and 18 days, the committee presented the draft constitution, which was the longest written constitution in the world, and it was adopted on 26th November 1949. However, it came into effect on January 26, 1950 to remember the day when we proclaimed ourselves Purna Swaraj, complete liberation from the British. On this historical moment, it is our duty to remember and pay tribute to our national leaders and soldiers who have sacrificed their lives for us. India has seen 71 years of vibrant growth and development in almost all sectors, and we have carved a niche in the world history in many disciplines. The achievement that we celebrate today is worth cherishing only if we had a sustainable growth. In the guise of modernization and Western influences, we Indians have drifted away from traditional knowledge and practices, and we have caused deep damages to our environment. It is rightly said that we haven't inherited this land from the forefathers, but we have borrowed it from our children. So let us resolve to adopt traditional practice and help in the attainment of sustainable growth and development of our country. The highlights of this year's New Delhi Republic Day will be the Rafale flypast over the Rajpath, Bangladesh Armed Forces Parade, and the showcasing of Indian Air Force's Atmanirbhar Bharat's capabilities. This is the first year that we have invited a neighboring country's marching contingency to take part in our parade. They will be celebrating the 50th anniversary of 1971 Indo-Pak War, which led to the liberation and creation of Bangladesh. The star attraction this year is the Flight Lieutenant Swati Rathore. She will mark new pages of women empowerment by becoming the first woman to lead the Republic Day Parade flypast. At this juncture, I'd like to quote Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam's words. Courage to think different, courage to invent, courage to discover the unknown, courage to travel through the unexplored path, courage to reach the unreachable, courage to remove pain, courage to share knowledge, courage to combat problem, and succeed are the qualities of the youth. And so, here is my message, appealing to all children, especially girls, to be ambitious, soar high, and fulfill your aspirations. Jai Hind.
वतन मेरे वतन ऐ वतन आबाद रहे तो आबाद रहे तो वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तो ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तो ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तो मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तो मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तो ऐ वतन मेरे वतन ऐ वतन मेरे वतन तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझे से तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझे से पहुँचूं मैं जहाँ भी मेरे बुनियाद रहे तो पहुँचूं मैं जहाँ भी मेरे
Ours is a proud and pristine nation that inspires in all a deep admiration. A nation built through struggles innumerable, yet it always stands high and venerable. We are united in spite of a million disparities. Our unity and togetherness are beautiful rarities. In our flag spreads freedom, fire, and passion, and in our hearts thrives an undying devotion. We have come through pain, blood, and sorrows, but our patriotism always brightens up our morrows. Let us always continue to stand strong for countless decades of victory to come along. Let us keep celebrating India. I wish one and all a very happy Republic Day. Thank you.